syempre, yun nga, yung moving to a different team. Yung mga signal players kind of had no choice. So syempre, I'm thankful na Akari accepted me into their family and also really welcomed me into their system and their team, and I'm forever grateful na kumbaga inangkop nila ako. And also I'm excited for this new chapter kasi syempre new system na matututunan, new teammates to bond with, and also, you know, yung mga experiences din na hindi talaga mauulit. So yeah, I'm excited for this new journey kasi I'm still excited to grow as well as a player under Coach Tina.
Kumusta lang yung transition mo with Akari and of course gelling mo under Coach Tina?
Siyempre nangangapa pa ako kasi nga bagong system. Siyempre 1 year din ako with Signal, so parang kailangan lang mag-relearn ulit ng mga bagong plays, mga bagong and also learn yung kung paano yung mga teammates ko and how I can gel with them as well.
May ano lang feeling syempre yung mga kalaban mo na rin yung mga Signal teammates sa other side of the court?
Siyempre outside the court, sobrang close pa rin kami and we still, you know, longingly greet each other. Pero I also wish the best for them sa mga new teams nila. And syempre, masaya din na yung saan kumbaga to play against your former teammates. Kasi syempre, medyo kilala mo din talaga sila as teammates. So, parang facing them now, I'm learning about their new way of playing and also discovering kung paano sila kalabanin.
Obviously, maglalaro yung PBL dito sa South Cotabato, which is malapit sa hometown mo.
Yeah.
Ano lang yung thoughts mo?
Well, kahit nung pag-land lang kanina sa airport, yung feeling na parang, oh wow, I'm home. Siyempre malapit lang talaga yung hometown namin. So, the fact na makakanood sila kuya ng live and yung mga tita ko and also yung mga pamangkin ko, I'm excited na makita sila sa courtside and cheering us on. Yeah.
Gano'n lang kalaki ng bagay na tingin mo yung ginagawa ng PBL na dumadayo-dayo sila sa parte ng
I think it's a huge part of growth sa volleyball dito sa Philippines. Kasi syempre, when visiting yung mga smaller towns or smaller cities, parang nakikita din ng younger generation, wow, I can aspire to be a professional athlete in this field. So yun yan, for PBL to be investing din sa pagpunta sa mga iba-ibang small towns. Maganda siya for future generation ng sports.
Last na lang, message mo na lang sa mga fans ng PBL dito sa South Cotabato.
Thank you po for selling out our tickets sa Kolomolok. We're looking forward to seeing you guys, and also I hope that we can give you a good game and see you guys there.